Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, DM ma'am. We all know that our country is going through a difficult situation due to COVID 19. To remain safe from this pandemic disease, we should follow some safety rules, and these are: don't touch your eyes, nose, and lips while it's not necessary. Wash your hands frequently and avoid social gathering. We know that our school is closed, but we can continue our classes through online. So, today we will read English language chapter 9, which is about pronoun. So, students, let's start the class. So, students, what is pronoun? The words which are used in the place of nouns, these words are called pronoun. We use pronoun to avoid the repetition of nouns. Okay, now let's see the examples. Ashu is the boy. Ashu is my friend. Ashu goes to school daily. Next, Anu and Jia are friends. Anu and Jia play together. Anu and Jia go to school daily. This table is new. This table is costly. This table is made of wood. So students, in these sentences, we can see that there is continuous repetition of noun. Okay. Now, again we will read these sentences, but this time we will use pronoun. Now, let's see the sentences once again. Ashu is a boy. He is my friend. He goes to school daily. Next, Anu and Jia are friends. They play together. They go to school daily. This table is new. It is costly. It is made of wood. So students, we can see that again we have read these sentences, but this time we have used pronouns, and these are he, they, and it. Okay students, there are some other pronouns, and these are I, we, she, he, they, it, you. Okay. Now let's go to page number 18. I and we are used for the speakers. Students, speakers means who is talking. So the speakers are I and we. Let's see the examples. I am a student. We are players. Okay. That means the speaker speaking that he is a student or they are players. Okay. Next, you is used for the listeners. Listeners means who is listening. So now let's see the examples. You are a nurse. You are the astronauts. Okay. That means one person is telling to other, and the other person is listening that she is a nurse, and some persons are listening that they are astronauts. Okay. Next, he and she are used for singular persons. So students, we use he and she for singular persons. Singular means only one. Okay. So now let's see the examples. He is a smart child. She is a beautiful girl. So students, here he means we are indicating only a one boy. And students, I want to tell that we use he when we are talking about a boy. Okay. Next, she is a beautiful girl. That means here we are indicating towards only a one girl. And also I want to tell you that we use she when we are talking about a girl. Next, it is used for animals and things. Okay, so we will use it only for animals and things. Now let's see the examples. It is a turtle. It is a new book. So students, we know that turtle is a animal. So there we have used it, and we know that book is a thing. So we have used here it. Okay. Next, they is used for plural persons or things. So students, we know that plural means one, more than one or two. Now let's see the examples. They are all soldiers. They are tall trees. So students, soldiers means there are more than one or two soldiers. That's why we have used they. And trees means there are more than one or two trees. That's why we have used they. Okay. Now go to page number 19. In exercise A, we can see that in the wall below are given some words. Color the pronouns. So students, there is the picture of a wall. There are some nouns and some pronouns. And we will have to color the pronouns. Now let's see how many pronouns are there. King, he, cow, I. So the pronoun will be he and I. Okay. Next, we, mango, diary, she. So the pronouns will be we and she. Dad, Jaipur, teacher, it. So the pronouns will be dad, teacher, it. They, you, temple. So the pronouns will be they and you. Okay. Next. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Okay. Now let's read number 1. Sonia is a girl. Dash is reading a book. So we have read earlier that students, when we are talking about a girl, so when we will use the pronoun she. So the answer will be she. She is reading a book. Sonia is a girl. She is reading a book. Okay. Next, number 2. Mohit is a student. Dash studies in first. So students, we know that Mohit is a singular person and he is a boy. So we will use the pronoun he. So he studies in first. Mohit is a student. He studies in first. Okay. Number 3. Uma and Umesh are friends. Dash play together. We have read that when there is more than one or two person, then we will use the pronoun. And here we can see that there are the names of two persons. So there we will use the pronoun they. So the answer will be they play together. Uma and Umesh are friends. They play together. Okay. Next, number 4. The flower pot is near the window. That is very beautiful. Students, we have read that when we are talking about a thing or a animal, then we use it. So there the pronoun will be it. It is very beautiful. The flower pot is near the window. It is very beautiful. Okay. Number 5. This horse is quick. Dash is black in color. We know students, when we talk about a animal or a thing, then we use the pronoun it. So there we are talking about an animal which is horse. So the pronoun will be it. It is black in color. So this horse is quick. It is black in color. Okay. Next, number 6. My name is Srishti. Dash live in Mayur. So students, here we can see that the speaker is speaking and we know that I and we are speakers. So here the pronoun will be I. I live in Mayur, Bihar. So my name is Srishti. I live in Mayur, Bihar. Next, number 7. Your name is Smith. Dash are a good boy. By reading these sentences, we can understand that our listener is listening. So we know that you is the listener. So here the pronoun will be you. You are a good boy. Your name is Smith. You are a good boy. Next, number 8. You are my friend. Dash can go for a picnic. By reading these sentences, students, again we can understand that there a person is listening and we know that you are listeners. So here the pronoun will be you. You can go for a picnic together. So students, you are my friend. you can go for a picnic together. Okay students, so in chapter now 9 we have read about pronoun. Okay, so in page number 19, exercise A, you will have to color. In exercise B, you will have to learn. Okay, thank you.